Color is the most powerful tool in the UI design. So in this video, I'm going to teach you the basic of color theory and how to create color palette in Figma. Let's start with the foundation, the color wheel. Everything starts with three primary colors, red, yellow and blue. They are primary because you cannot make this by mixing other colors, but when you mix them, you get secondary colors, orange, green and purple. If you mix primary and secondary colors, you get tertiary colors. Now you have full wheel of options to choose from. When you cut the wheel in half, you get warm and cool colors. Warm colors like reds, oranges, yellows that feel energetic and loud. Cool colors like blues, greens, purples that feel like calm and professional. Let's understand some important color terms. Hue. This is just pure color itself like red, blue, green, orange. Just the color itself. When you add white to a hue, it becomes tint. The more white you add, the more lighter and softer it becomes. Shade is adding black to a hue to make it darker. The more black you add, the more darker it becomes. Tone is same thing as tint and shade, but this is the hue with the grey added to it. How do you pick colors that actually look good together? I use color harmony. Color harmony is about combining colors that look good together. It helps make interface clean, balanced and visually appealing. First we have analogous. These are the colors right next to each other on the color wheel. There is little contrast between the colors, giving them calm, cohesive feel for your UI. Next we have complementary. Colors opposite each other on color wheel. These have strong contrast and make elements really stand out. Next, split complementary. Take one base color and pair it with two colors next to its opposite. This gives contrast like complementary color but with less tension and dramatic. Next, triadic. Triadic color use three colors evenly spaced around color wheel in a triangle pattern. You can see that primary colors and secondary colors are triadic. Next we have monochromatic. These are just variation of one single hue. This variation can be tint, shade or tones. Now you understand the color theory and how to pick colors. Let's make color palette in Figma. This is color panel. This is a hue slider, contains all pure colors. This is hue cube. If you go from right to left, you get tints. If you go from top to bottom, you get shades. If you go diagonally, you get tones. Let's make color palette. I'm taking blue and yellow complementary colors. Now add tint, shade and tones to them. Now you have wide set of colors. To finalize your color palette, you need primary color, most used color in the design. Next, secondary color to complement the primary color. Neutral colors. I usually pick two neutral colors. Neutral colors include grey, whites, blacks. It can still have hues in them, just not very prominent. These are used for background or text. You can also pick an accent color. They are ideal for any elements that need stand out or want to highlight. Now you have your own color palette. Having the right amount of contrast between your colors is essential for design. Low contrast is when colors are very similar, like light gray text on white background. This can make content harder to read. High contrast is a strong difference between colors, such as dark text on light background. This makes content easier to read. In Figma, you can easily check color contrast. In a color panel, Figma shows color contrast between the text and the background. Here, this is low contrast, doesn't meet the contrast standard. And this is the high contrast. And that's it. Now you know more about colors. Open up Figma, try making simple color palette and apply it to a design. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more UI tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.